guys, we are back again here in Stoney Creek. We've been here last time with my daughter and we follow along the river stream. I was only using my phone that time and it was a bit cloudy also. Today is a nice sunny day with my GoPro, so hopefully we can get some nice shots and also a video. Hope you will enjoy this video and give us a like, make a comment below and subscribe to my channel. He's standing up on top of the rock. Hi guys, Brian here is going to jump into the water. Woohoo! I'm gonna film him jumping off that rock. I'll see you in the hospital. Wait.
Superman.
How did you do that without getting wet?
Quickly land and then jump, climb back up.
With your wings? Have you got hidden wings?
Yeah.
How did you do that, Bri? Without getting wet?
Oh, can't divulge my secrets.
Is that your
I'll tell
secret?
you one day.
Ah, that's nice in there. Oh, that's really cool. That's nice swimming hole. You wanna go for a swim? We haven't got any towels.
You go first.
I'll go first.
You go first.
I haven't got any clothes.
I think you're gonna make it.
What? No thanks. Oh, that's really nice, right? I'm gonna put my underwater camera. I have to use special casing because last time I did use it, I thought it was waterproof, but this is my GoPro's probably is getting. Oh no, it's not my GoPro. It's Brian's GoPro. The GoPro probably getting old, so it's not waterproof anymore. Luckily, he bought a. Getting tired walking. Wait. So I'm gonna try to film underwater using a special casing.
The sun. A nice dip.
We need to come back here with Sabi. Wow. Woohoo!
Film this bit of a obstacle here. Okay guys, just watch your head. Oh! Oh!
Careful
Oh.
now.
Oh.
You're being dramatic. You're gonna fall in there. Oh, Bri, there's banana, Bri. Oh, look.
Oh, yeah. Careful when you touch up here because
It look. Yeah, it looked like this is a stinging plant. This must. Oh my gosh, I think this is a.
that's not one.
No.
No.
I thought it's that one. Because some hairs.
It's got a round leaf.
Round leaf.
Yes, that's
Ow!
pointy.
The one is the snake. Hello, beautiful Bri. Oh, Bri.
It's all here. Shit's on this way. Oh, look, you could jump down in.
Oh.
This takes you.
Ow, ow.
Do you want me to film or you right?
Oh my gosh, this is really nice. I don't think you're allowed to jump in there. You would hurt yourself if you do. Wow, that's scary.
So you want to go down below. There's not really that much.
We'll go and have a look first. Okay. Very, very careful in here. You don't fall. Because it's only about maybe a 2 foot deep. La 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 la. Look, this way. Can we go this side? Or we go this side?
My affected by the light. What are you doing?
Checking if it's clean.
I wiped it.
Waterfall feels really tempting to go for a swim.
Do you want me to walk across that log?
I'm scared here. This is scary. There's a hole in here.
We got to swim.
Cold. Maybe we should go in that side. You reckon?
To go down.
Yeah, well, she go down there. Look.
I think it's a bit of climbing to do.
Climbing?
You want to do that?
Going down? No, I don't think so. She look. She look okay.
Otherwise we're already down this way.
Alrighty. We want to go down below where the people are, and also it's a better view. You're like drunk. Going this way. We will see the waterfall shortly.